Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Node-RED Smart Home Flows safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Node-RED Smart Home Flows safely, begin by ensuring your Node-RED instance is running. Open the Node-RED editor in your web browser by navigating to the correct URL. Log in if prompted to access your flows. Review the flows you have in place to identify which ones you want to uninstall. Select the flow you wish to remove. To do this, click on the flow name in the top right corner of the editor. This will display a drop-down menu of your available flows. Once you have the flow highlighted, go to the right sidebar and locate the Delete option. Click on the Delete option to remove the selected flow. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm that you want to delete the flow by clicking OK. After deleting the flow, navigate back to your main Node-RED workspace. It's vital to ensure that any nodes associated with the removed flow are also deleted. Check for any nodes that are still visible in the workspace. Select the unwanted nodes and click the Delete key or right-click and choose Delete from the menu. Once all unwanted nodes are removed, prepare to save your changes. Click the Deploy button in the upper right corner to apply the changes you've made. Now, return to the dashboard or terminal where Node-RED runs. Monitor the system to ensure that your smart home setup is still functioning correctly after the removal process. If necessary, test the remaining flows to verify that they continue to operate as expected. Regularly back up your flows to avoid any accidental data loss in the future. Eventually, return to the Node-RED editor to manage any other flows as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.